Hello and welcome to Wonder Kids. Today, we're going to talk about owls and how they see at night. Owls are nocturnal birds, which means they are most active at night. But have you ever wondered how they can see in the dark? It's because their eyes are very special. Owls have big, round eyes that are designed to collect as much light as possible. Their eyes are like buckets that catch all the available light, allowing them to see in low light conditions. Let's take a closer look at an owl's eye. The eye is made up of the cornea, iris, and retina. The retina is the light-sensitive part of the eye that converts light into signals that are sent to the brain. Owls also have a reflective layer in the back of their eyes called the tapetum lucidum. This layer helps to reflect any light that passes through the retina back onto the retina, giving the owl a second chance to catch the light. This is why owls can see so well at night. But that's not all. Owls also have excellent hearing and can turn their heads up to 270 degrees to listen for prey. They can even fly silently, thanks to their special feathers that help to reduce noise. So, owls are like superheroes of the night, with their excellent eyesight, hearing, and flying abilities. Let's review what we've learned. Owls have special eyes that can see in low light conditions. They have excellent hearing, and they can fly silently. Thanks for joining us on this adventure to learn about owls and their amazing night vision. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and educational videos.